This is Chicago's very own WGN Midday News.
Welcome back. In today's Focus on Family, how teens can master standardized testing and wrap up the school year powerfully. Bobbi DePorter is the co-founder of SuperCamp and the president of Quantum Learning Network. She says she has 9 tips that can help every student do better in school. Bobbi, thank you so much for being here. And as I told you in the break, I wish I'd had these tests when I was a student.
Yes, they make a big difference.
Well, let's start with SLANT. When you say SLANT, what do you mean?
SLANT stands for sit up, lean forward, ask questions, talk to your teacher, and nod your head and talk to your teacher. And most of it is about focus because the body can trick our mind into focus. So when we sit up, lean forward, nod our head, it makes a difference in our mind that we are more focused on what the teacher is teaching.
Engage with the instructor.
Absolutely.
You also say plan ahead.
Yes, it is plan ahead. You know, you think that here's a test, it's coming up. And then we look at the date of when the test is and count backwards and then take the content we're learning and write each chunk on the calendar. Because the opposite of that is cram. You know, where the information goes into short-term memory and it may or may not come back for the test. So what we want to do is plan ahead and chunk the information. And then when we add a 10-minute review every day, it goes into long-term memory where we can retrieve it for the test.
And you say discover the power of this is it. What does that mean?
This is it as being in present time, because when we're in the present moment, there is no anxiety, there is no fear. We're in present time, and again, we can focus so much better on what we're trying to learn rather than just glazing at a page. We're more focused on what we're doing.
A couple of the other things you say are overcome the obstacle of the blank page with rewriting, just write whatever comes to mind. And then, of course, take breaks while you're studying. But overall here, you're saying that we need to teach students to learn how to learn.
Yes. You know, you might have told your child, go study for a test or go write a paper.
Well, what does that mean?
And what the child should say is how specifically. And when we teach specific strategies to a student, then they usually say, why didn't anybody teach that to me before? So I've prepared a special report that's free on our website, supercamp.com.
Okay.
And it's specific strategies that parents can use for teaching their children how to learn. So these are strategies that have now been used with over 50,000 SuperCamp graduates worldwide, and many of them in Chicago.
Do you have any tips for the poor student who does have to cram for a test?
When they cram, it is to focus and look to see where you're studying, because location is so important. Go to a place that has the least amount of distractions, get your calendar, breathe, and focus on your material.
You also mentioned some Baroque music in the background.
Yes. Well, it helps. It helps put us in a calm, relaxed place.
So don't put on those popular tunes that can be distracting.
No, it helps us focus on one thing, and there's a lot of brain research behind focusing on one thing so you actually remember when you get to the end of the page, because how many of us have read a page, you get to the bottom, you have no idea what you just read.
And so when kids go to your super camp, they get intense learning on how to study all these things you talked about?
They do, and parents can really help by getting these strategies and learning them along with their child.
Quickly, what's the car for?
It's take a drive. It's a tip for parents. So when you take a drive with your parents, with your teens, you're focused, it's captured time, and that it's a safe space, because teens tend not to like to look at you in the eyes when you're talking to them. So when you're in a car driving, you're looking straight ahead, and it's a safe space. And we also say, listen more, talk less, and you'll deepen your relationship with your child. So take a drive, listen more, talk less.
Bobbi DePorter, thank you so much. Take a drive, teach your kids how to study. For a link to the SuperCamp website, log on to WGNTV.com/midday. Thanks, Bobbi.
Thanks, Ellen.